We have the CRM system here. You have an overview of your leads, your contacts, and your deals. Your leads are either active or archived. You can view them in grid view or Kanban view. You can see all your leads down here and easily change their status. If you want to qualify a lead, you can do it here. Then you create a contact. You can create a deal or you can create both at the same time. Then we have all the information here already, and you can just create the contact. You can create a new lead here, just put in all the information and add the lead. Under contacts, you have an overview of all your contacts. You can see it here. You can add notes, and you can follow up on your contacts. In the deals section, you can view your active or archived deals. You have an overview of all your deals here, including your pipeline value. From here, you can easily create a new deal, input the value, set the status and win probability, and select the contact from your list. Otherwise, you can create a proposal right from here. You can add notes as well or a follow-up. If you want to create a proposal, you just go in, fill out the proposal, upload your PDF, add a signer, and then it will be sent directly to the client.